Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360. Today we will create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. So here I am closing this window and go to the Fusion 360 interface. So first we will select this create sketch. Then from here we will select the plane. After selecting this plane, from here we can see we have to draw a line of 27.5 plus 27.5 plus 15, that is 70 mm. So we will draw a line of 70 mm. As you can see. After this, from here, we can see this is the diameter 66 mm. So this line is 33 mm. Then the width of this line is 10 mm. Then this is 33 minus this 20, that is 13. Then 10 mm. Then we will draw an arc of radius 15. Then similarly we will draw other lines. So one by one I will draw all the lines in Fusion 360 interface. So from here I will selecting this line and I will draw a line of 33 mm. After that I will draw a line of 10 mm. Then again I will draw a line of 13 mm. I will draw a line of 10 mm. Then again we will draw a line of 15 mm. Then we will draw one more line of 15 mm. Then we will draw one more line of 10 mm. Then we will draw a line of 13 mm. Then we will draw a line of 10 mm. And then we will close the loop. After this, we will draw an arc. From here, we will select the center point arc, place this point at the center, and draw an arc of 15 mm radius, like this, and press escape. After this, we will trim all the unwanted edges, like this, then escape, then finish the sketch, go to home position, revolve it about this axis, and as you can see, we have created the object we have seen in this particular image. Then we will draw this holes. So for that, here I am selecting this plane. Go to create a sketch. Draw a circle of 57 mm. Press enter. After this, I will draw a line of 27.5. Sorry, 28.5 mm and an angle of 45 degree. Press enter. After this, as per drawing, we can see here that the diameter of these holes are 4.2 mm. For that, I am selecting here the circle command and draw a circle of 4.2 mm and press enter. After drawing this circle, we will select this circular pattern and select this one, select the center point. We will select this object, this is our circle. Then we will select the center point and press, and we will provide the quantity here is 6 and then press OK. After this, we make this circle as construction. After this, finish the sketch, extrude these profiles to -10. And as you can see, we have created holes in this particular object. Then we will select this face, go to create sketch. Again, we will draw the same circle of 57 mm, press enter. And again, we will draw a line at an angle of 45 degree, and this is 28.5. Press enter. From here, we will select the circle, draw a circle of 4.2 mm, press enter. From here again we will select the circular pattern, select this one, center point as this, provide the quantity as 6, and press OK. So as you can see, we have created these circles on this particular face. Then finish the sketch, go to home position, and from here we will select extrude command and all the circles by one and provide the extrude up to -10. You can see we have created the holes in this particular one. Now we will provide a hole here. So this hole diameter is 16 mm. So we will create a circle of 16 mm. Press enter. Finish the sketch and extrude it up to -70. As you can see, we have created the same object as in the image. Now we will provide the appearance to this particular one. So select the appearance command, sorry, paint. Then from here we'll select this glossy and provide the blue color here. And from here we will select this face and provide the yellow color here. As you can see, we have created the same object as we have seen in this particular image. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.